When working with Microsoft PowerPoint, we often work with shapes, pictures and other objects to make our presentations look good. Indeed, the best looking slides have often very little text, so here's one tip if you want to reach your audience in a better way. Avoid crowded slides. An object can be anything from a text box to shapes to pictures and eventually anything you can put on a slide. However, when adding objects to your slides, you may have stumbled upon the issue of making them align properly. Since a few years back, Microsoft PowerPoint offers its users nice guiding tools to align shapes and pictures properly, but when you have many things on your slide, it starts getting problematic. There is, however, a very simple way of solving this problem, and surprisingly few people are aware of it. Watch this video to learn how to do it. When you select an object, there is a context ribbon showing at the end of the menu choices. At the same time, there are some menu options activated on the Home ribbon, so you can access them from both places. And there is also the context menu that opens when you right-click an object, but it does not contain all options. The difference between the Arrange button on the Home ribbon and on the Context ribbon is that all the options are grouped under one button on the Home ribbon, but they are split into 6 buttons on the Context ribbon. The point of interest of today's video is the Arrange button and the menu it shows. Let's start with an easy example. If you have only one object on your slide and you want to put it exactly in the center of the slide, you can of course drag the object with your mouse and observe the alignment help you get from PowerPoint. When you see the 2 red lines cross, you know you have positioned your object right. However, it can be quite difficult to do it just right, especially if you do not have a good mouse or if you have to work with a touchpad on your laptop. Using the Arrange button, you can achieve the same effect with only a few clicks. Just mark the object you want to center and then click on Arrange, Align, Align Center. This will center the shape horizontally. Now click Arrange, Align, Align Middle to center the picture vertically, and voila, it is now positioned in the center of the slide. Now let's say you have many objects that you want to spread evenly on a slide. Of course, you can drag them with your mouse. PowerPoint tries helping you out with red lines. This can work when you only have a few objects, but the more crowded it gets, the more difficult it is to use the guidelines from PowerPoint. The alternative with using the Arrange button is to just move one of the objects to the leftmost position and another one to the rightmost position, and then mark all the objects you want to spread and click on Arrange, Align, Distribute horizontally, or Distribute vertically if you want to distribute them this way. This will move all the objects you marked so that they have equal distances between them. No more minutious dragging of things on your slide and getting frustrated with that it's not working. But what if your objects are not on the same line? They may be spread evenly, but you may want them also to be aligned together. In the Arrange, Align menu, there are 2 sections. The first one is for aligning objects along a vertical line, and the second one is for aligning shapes along a horizontal one. Just pick the alternative that is closest to your needs. If you're unsure, pick Align Center or Align Middle that will align the objects along a vertical or horizontal line going through the center of the shapes. You can combine all these aligning options with grouping shapes or pictures. If you group 2 or more shapes or pictures into one group, it will start behaving as one shape. Consequently, all aligning commands that you will execute will apply to the group as a whole. You can use this to your advantage, for instance by first distributing the shapes according to your liking and aligning them, and then grouping them into one group in order to do some more alignment of the group as such. After performing all the tasks, you can then ungroup all these shapes to get them back individually. This clip should give you an overview of how alignment and distribution of objects on slides in Microsoft Point can be done. This skill can also be used in other Microsoft Office applications where the Arrange button is available. Check out our other videos and articles related to Microsoft Office.